Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore different ways to express the phrase "I think." Using a variety of expressions can make your speech and writing more engaging and nuanced. We'll provide you with a range of phrases and examples of how to use them in everyday conversations. Let's dive in and expand your vocabulary with these alternatives to "I think." In my opinion. In my opinion, the best way to learn a new language is through immersion. In my opinion, this restaurant serves the best pizza in town. If you ask me. If you ask me, we should take a vacation to the mountains this year. If you ask me, that movie was overhyped and not very entertaining. The way I see it. The way I see it, investing in education is always a good decision. The way I see it, we should try to resolve this issue peacefully. It seems to me. It seems to me that the weather is getting hotter each year. It seems to me that he genuinely cares about the project's success. As far as I can see. As far as I can see, everyone is doing their best to meet the deadline. As far as I can see, the policy changes are having a positive impact. As far as I'm concerned. As far as I'm concerned, we can start the meeting now, since everyone is here. As far as I'm concerned, she is the best candidate for the job. I feel. I feel that we should reconsider our travel plans due to the bad weather. I feel strongly about supporting local businesses in our community. I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that we can achieve our goals if we work together. I honestly believe that reading daily improves your mental sharpness. From my point of view. From my point of view, this new software will make our work much easier. From my point of view, the changes we've implemented are beneficial for everyone. I assume. I assume you are coming to the party tonight, right? I assume they will need more time to complete the project. I consider. I consider her to be one of the most talented artists of our time. I consider this to be a fair and reasonable solution to the problem. To me, To me, spending time with family is the most important thing. To me, this book is a masterpiece of modern literature. It is my view. It is my view that we should invest more in renewable energy sources. It is my view that education is the key to a better future. To my way of thinking. To my way of thinking, honesty is always the best policy. To my way of thinking, we need to prioritize customer satisfaction above all. It's my belief that hard work always pays off in the end. It's my belief that everyone deserves a second chance. To my mind. To my mind, this is the most efficient way to complete the task. To my mind, the team's performance has improved significantly. As far as I can tell. As far as I can tell, the project is on track and will be completed on time. As far as I can tell, she has no interest in joining the club. The way I see things is that. The way I see things is that we need to change our approach to solve this problem. The way I see things is that teamwork is essential for our success. I believe we can achieve our targets if we stay focused. I believe she is the best person for the job. I would say that this new policy will benefit everyone in the long run. I would say we should leave early to avoid the traffic. I guess we could try the new restaurant for dinner tonight. I guess he will be late, as usual. I consider that. I consider that this meeting is crucial for our project's success. I consider that we have made significant progress this year. I esteem that. I esteem that his contributions to the team are invaluable. I esteem that this company has a lot of potential for growth. I deem that. I deem that it is necessary to review our budget for the upcoming year. I deem that her proposal is worth considering. I assume that. I assume that you will handle the presentation for tomorrow's meeting. I assume that the shipment will arrive on schedule. I feel that. I feel that we should address this issue immediately. I feel that more transparency is needed in our communication. If you wonder my opinion. If you wonder my opinion, I think we should proceed with the original plan. If you wonder my opinion, this is the best course of action for the team.